Hey, how's it going? I got this shower head from Costco a few years ago and it started leaking, so I'll show you exactly how I got a new one absolutely free. It's an easy DIY project that will take 10 minutes, no tools are necessary. The leak is coming from the handle shutoff valve. Please subscribe and watch my next video to see me disassemble and demolish my shower head. Waterpik's website says you'll need a receipt for a warranty claim. Of course, I didn't have the receipt from several years ago, so I kept Googling, and buried at the end of Waterpik's frequently asked questions was an answer contrary to the first. It states that if you don't have a receipt, they'll accept 2 photos. Watch the end of the video for the exact instructions for warranty servicing and the email address to send it to. I emailed the 2 photos of my shower head as instructed, and the following day they replied, offering me a brand new shower head. No questions asked, no credit card needed, and free shipping via FedEx. I give Waterpik an A for making it so easy, and they sent me the latest model that is currently sold at Costco. Start by removing your old shower head. You'll need to turn the large wing nut counterclockwise to remove it. My shower head was on there for several years, so it was hard to remove. You can use a towel to improve your grip. So I ended up holding the wing nut with my right hand and then turning the rest of the shower head clockwise, and that gave me enough grip to loosen up the nut, and then I could easily twist it off. Unscrew the gray pivot ball by turning it counterclockwise. Lay out your new shower head parts and screw on the shower head to the end of the hose with the orange tape. The other end screws onto the shower head holder mount. Hang the wing nut on the shower pipe with the threaded end facing towards you. Then twist the gray pivot ball onto the pipe clockwise. The instructions say to hand tighten, then use a wrench to turn it another quarter to half turn more. I didn't use a wrench and it worked just fine. According to the Waterpik website, if you do not have a receipt, provide 2 images of the shower head, one to show the face of the shower head and the other to depict the issue being experienced. Email the photos to service@waterpik.com. Include the reason for the claim, your name, address, and telephone number. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, I'd greatly appreciate if you subscribe, like, and comment. And remember, if I did it, you can too. If you'd like to learn how to disassemble the shower head and attempt to fix it yourself, please watch my next video.